Here is a video of the area behind and in between some of the houses in this neighborhood. This spot here where you see all these flowers was just bare soil for over a year, and it's surrounded by Chinese bush clover. In this area here, I've been cutting back a lot of it. Here we actually have a native bush clover, and I planted other grasses and stuff there, but this area I seeded in January with seeds from, I think it was Wildflower Seed Farm in North Carolina. I don't remember the exact name, but it was a variety with all native seeds. So we have partridge pea. This was a coreopsis that was blooming. Maybe it's still blooming in other parts of this area here. We have swamp sunflower. This area I had seeded on a rainy day towards the end of January, and I covered it with hay bales from the local garden center. It literally was all just bare soil like that there, and I kind of wanted to help combat this bush clover reseeding a lot. So this whole area here, besides some of the small sprouts there, which I'll come through and weed eventually, is all native plants. We have some mountain mint that I transplanted from my garden back here. But I really wanted to come up and look at this new flower that I haven't seen yet. It is a Coreopsis bidens something or other, I don't remember the scientific name, but an all mostly wildflower little prairie kind of that I planted in this developed neighborhood that destroyed almost all the wildlife ecosystems here. It just makes me happy. All the flowers in here are pretty much yellow, and it's amazing to see these swamp sunflowers because I have one in my yard that is just massive this year, so I'm excited to see it flourish. And there's a little view of my yard from there. But this whole area here has a lot of the small low growth is the Chinese bush clover. So I feel like it's going to be a forever battle to get rid of that, but I think it's worth it because we get beautiful areas like this. I haven't even watered this. This has all been watered by the rains that we've had this year. So seeded in January, and now it's the end of August, and we have all this beautiful partridge pea and even some of the late season coreopsis coming up. So yeah, plant native. And here's some native bush clover. Pretty. And a little back view of my garden.